students, welcome to AJ Mathematics and Science. So today we will continue with chapter 10th AP 10th standard ICSE board exercise 10B. I just read the statement, you just listen. In AP the 10th term 10 times the 10th term is equal to 30 times the 30th term. Find the 40th term. So how we will start such type of question? Already we have discussed in the previous video. Let first term of AP, let first AP is equal to A and common difference equal to D, small d. So according to question what given, the 10 times the 10th term equal to 30 times the 30th term. So as we know, 10 times the 10th term we can write A plus 9D, and 30th term we can write A plus 29D. So you just solve and find out the relation between small a and small d. 10A, 19D, 30A and 870D, the term containing A one side and D other side. Minus 20A, 780D. So we just find the value of A. The value of A, 780D divided by minus 20, that is A equal to minus 39D. The value of A we get minus 39D. Now what he asked, find the 40th term. Therefore the 40th term is A plus 39D. What is the value of A? Minus 39D plus 39D. Cancel. So answer is 0. So like this, from the given condition you can find the required answer. Students, please note down this. Student, one more question we will do. I just read the statement. How many 3-digit number are divisible by 87? Means we have to find number of 3-digit number which are divisible by 87. So like first number divisible by 87 is 174. Obviously 87 में 87 ऐड करेंगे तो पहला 3-digit number मिल जाएगा हमें, that is 174. So first term we got 174. Then D 87 का difference है, so D is 87. Then how we can calculate the last term? So we know the greatest 3-digit number is 999. So we will divide this by 87 and remainder we will get 42. Then 42 will minus from 999, then we get 957. It means the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 87, that is 957. So now A we get, D we get, and last number we just take as a Tn. Then we apply formula A plus n minus 1D equal to Tn. Fill the value of A, D and Tn and get the value of small n. So after calculation we get the value of small n 10. It means how many such terms are there which is divisible by 87 and 3-digit numbers. So 10 3-digit numbers are there. कितने number है 3-digit? 10 जो 87 के साथ क्या होंगे? Divisible होंगे. So students, please note down this. So students, one more question. Here 3 terms are given. n minus 2, 4, n minus 1, 5, n plus 2. these are in AP, and find the value of n and find next two terms. So first of all we have to find the value of n. बहुत simple question है, ऐसा question कई बार board में भी आ जाता है. So how we can find the value of n? As we know these three terms are in AP, so it means the common difference same, हर जगह पे common difference same होगा. Second minus first and third minus second, both give common difference and both will be same. इसलिए मैंने second minus first कर दिया, third minus second कर दिया, दोनों को equal रख लिया. And then after calculation I got the value of n1. And this value of n I just fill here. 1 fill किया, I got -1. 1 fill किया, 3, then 7. It means first three terms of AP are -1, 3 and 7. Then I find the common difference. Common difference is second minus first. Then common difference is 4. So 4 ऐड करके मैं next terms पता कर सकता हूँ. तो 7 में मैंने 4 ऐड कर दिया, then I got 11. Then again 4 ऐड कर दिया, then I got 15. So students, please note down this. Student, one more question. I just read the statement. You just listen carefully. The fourth term of AP is equal to 3 times the first term. First of all, you have to take first term A and common difference D. What given fourth term is 3 times the first term. यानी कि T4 equal to 3 times the first term is A. Fill the value of fourth term A plus 3D and get the value of A. A we got in the form of D, 3D upon 2. Then next condition is given, seventh term exceed the twice of third. यानी कि seventh term ज्यादा है third के double से, कितना? By 1. So that's why the difference between seventh term and twice of third term equal to 1. Just fill the value A plus 60. And one important thing you have to keep in your mind, when there is a minus sign, in front of that minus sign, whatever you will write, that should take in bracket. Because when we multiply with minus, we have to change the sign. Then change the sign and again get the value of, after solving this, we got a minus A plus 2D equal to 1. And fill the value of A here, that is 3D by 2. And this whole equation in D. Now after solving this, after taking LCM, we can get D. D we got 2. And this value of D we can fill here and get A3. Question में पूछा भी यही गया था. Under this condition, these two conditions are given. Find the value of A and D. Means find first term and common difference. Student, please note down this. So student, one more question is here. Which term of this AP? AP is given 5, 15, 25. Whose first term is 5, common difference is D. Which term of AP is 130 more than the 31st term of this AP? समझने वाली बात है. Which term? वो कौन सी term है? मैंने suppose कर ली TN. TN 31st term से कितनी ज़्यादा है? यानी कि TN और 31st term का difference कितना है? 130. So fill the value of TN A plus N minus 1D, 31st A plus 30D, and A और D की value fill कर दो. After that, after solving this, I got the value of N44. यानी कि N44 मैंने निकाल दिया. It means इस AP की 44th term ऐसी है जो 31st term से कितनी ज्यादा है? 130. It means क्या पता करना था हमने? N पता करना था. So according to the condition, we can find. Sometimes they will ask find the AP. Sometimes they will ask find first term and common difference. या N पूछेंगे which term. So according to the given condition, you just make the equations and simplify and get the answer. So students, this all about your 10th B exercise. Try to solve 10th B exercise. If any problem, you just write in the comment section. Thank you very much.